Yeah. 440K. Ashton Small. First cut.
And celebration.
Hey. Good size piece. Eat that. There it goes. Hey! So that's the proper way to do it.
Let's go.
You have to cut it and take a bite, huh?
Yes.
That makes sense.
All right. And yeah, again, thank you for staying with us. We hope your trip in Rwanda was amazing. We wish you the best in your continued success to both of you. And you're welcome here anytime.
Oh, 100%. I feel like this is second home at this point.
Yes.
Yeah, you guys have done your thing. You know, I felt completely comfortable in here. Whole staff was amazing.
Yes.
And me and Ashton Small, we appreciate you guys. This won't be the last time you see us.
Thank you very much.
For sure.
Pleasure.
Thank you, brother.
Very much.
Thank you. Chat, can we eat this? Come on, give me a little cookie or something. Shoot. Look.
Oh, that's good.
And this is a little sugar thing.
Mom, let's do it.
Hey, pleasure.
Make sure you get the cake. Take the cake, yeah. That's yours.
Yeah, the box is here. It's just a packet for you. You guys
Yeah, or you can have them.
You and the team eat it. W's in the chat, 440K.
for you.
Yeah. My guy Ashton Small, filled with light, filled with positive energy. He's been through some family things in the last couple of days, but thankfully, God is still good. God is still amazing. Now we head to the airport. Final moments. Chat. What must we do next? What must we do next, man? Thank you.
Yeah. You both send everything. Awesome.
Was it good?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Yeah, let's do it. 100%.
Where? Outside.
Right here. I'm gonna pull up on mine. Yeah.
Disability is not inability.
Disability is not inability.
100%.
100%. Ashton Small says. We're doing a big group photo?
Yes.
Let's do it. You ready? Final moments in Rwanda, huh?
What's your favorite moment in Kigali?
My favorite moment in Kigali? What's the favorite moment?
A lot of things.
I'm gonna feel disrespectful if I just pinpoint one because everything was so good. I would say, I can't even say our first moments because we didn't meet in Rwanda. Yesterday probably. I think yesterday was our best day. We went and milked the cows. It's my first time milking. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you so much.
Love. Thank you. Where's Indian Ash? Dang. Where's Indian Ashton?
Yeah, Indian Ashton maybe to just take a flight.
He just took the flight. He's
Yeah,
going, chat.
he's going.
W's in the chat for India Ash. What's up, brother? Hey, you know we family now. You know that, right? Nephew. Ah, thank you. Hey, and then we got the star too. And we got the star with us. How's everything? You good? Hey, let's flick one real quick. Ready? Let's flick one.
For your team. MUSE.
You took it? Did you screenshot it? Okay, you got it?
Awesome.
Hey, big W to your pocket.
We just wanted to take a picture with my team.
Oh, 100%. That's easy. Don't worry about that. Hold on one second.
Yeah.
Oh, we can't? Okay. Go ahead, just move. Go that way. Just keep it on him. Keep it on him. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
So. Yes, guys. In the house. Yeah. I really appreciate everybody. I really appreciate everybody from national time till now, and I really appreciate for your support. From bottom of my heart, I'm so happy, and God is amazing.
Let's go. Where's the team at?
We need to do a final group picture with the full team.
All right, let's do his team first.
Team.
Let's do his team first. W's in the chat for Ashton Small's team. Ashton Small's team. What's your name again?
Asman. Asman.
Asman?
Yes.
Kane? Cade. You guys have to be patient. Because the names, I'm not good with the African names. I'm still learning.
Yeah.
All right, and what was yours? Muski? Musa? Musa.
Perfect.
God. I can't forget yours. GAD. Big shout out to Ashton Small's team. These guys killing it. Where's the camera though? What camera are we using? Right here? All right, bet.
Burya, man. Man, I really appreciate you.
Love, brother.
One more, let's go.
Got it.
All right, good. Let's go.
From bottom of my heart,
Yeah.
I really appreciate you, whatever you have done for me.
Yeah.
And that is amazing.
Yeah.
And God bless you. I'm gonna miss you, man.
No, we locked in.
Always you are my brother for real.
Oh, for life.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna be 60, you're gonna be 55, I'm gonna be calling you like, yo, how's the family?
Yeah.
How's the family? How's business? We locked in forever.
Yeah.
Ride with me, let's get it.
Last photo.
Huh? Let's do it.
Yo, Rwanda team.
Let's do it.
It's a perfect activity for you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and we are so happy
You guys
to achieve it.
you guys did amazing.
Thank you.
You guys did so good.
Thank you so much.
And it really felt heartfelt too.
Yeah, when you come back, make sure it's ours who's going
There's no one else. It's just y'all.
Thank you.
Got it? All right, let's go.
Love.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It was nice to have you, bro. You're amazing, definitely.
Love. Y'all aren't coming to the airport? Yes. Y'all coming to the airport. See you at the airport. Let's do it. The whole team, right?
The whole team.
Whole team.
We need to do the whole team.
Or should we do it at the airport?
Up to you. What do you think?
Let's do it at the airport. Let's do it at the
So
airport.
I'm coming there for you.
Yeah. Hey, did Dante take my phone? Somebody got my phone.
I'm looking right now. Where'd Dante go?
Really? Tomar. Tomar. Dang.